Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my viewers all over the world, because I know you guys are all over the world: Canada, US, Australia, China. You guys are welcome. So today we'll be driving to Centenary City neighborhood. We will not be going inside Centenary, but we'll drive around the neighborhood so you guys will see how developed it is. So if you're looking to buy properties within this area, so you know what it is. So by my right hand is Helu Residence. Helu Residence is also one of the fastest developing city here in Enugu. Okay, it's not an estate, it's a city, right? Just like Centenary City. So let's drive. So I'm right now in the Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway. So we'll be taking left to Centenary. So let me give you a little gist about this Centenary, how it came about and everything. Let's dive in. Enugu Lifestyle and Golf City, also known as Centenary, was envisioned by the Enugu State Government, ENSG, and Private Estate International West African Limited, which is PEIWA, as a response to the severe housing shortage in Enugu and Nigeria at large. So it is a model city that would expand Enugu City, projecting as the city to live in and ultimately boosting the revenue drive and improving the infrastructures of the state. In 2009, the state government entered into a public-private partnership with PEIWA under the New Township Development Agreement (NTDA) to bring this dream into reality. PEIWA, which is Private Estate International West African Limited, was to develop the city on an expanse of lands covering approximately 1,097 hectares, situated at Obiago Amechi, Akunawu, Enugu. I know you might be wondering why there is demolition along the road, but just stay tuned in the video. I will talk about that later in the video, okay? So we are driving straight to the Centenary gate. You can see there's a walkway where people can walk, and also it's a dual carriage road. So by my left is Spotter Life Style Estate. Spotter Life Style Estate is one of the estates, private estates within the neighborhood of Centenary. So this gate you're seeing is the main entrance to Centenary City, but we'll not go inside. We'll have to turn back. So let's continue with the Spotter Lifestyle Estate. Plots of land inside the phase 1 is selling as high as 45 million, and phase 2 is selling about 25 million to 30 million. So in case you want to build your duplex, it's actually a safe place. So I just turned and I'm heading back. So we'll take left when we get to the second roundabout, so we can go to other neighborhoods. Okay, stay tuned and don't go anywhere. While we are going, I'll still talk more about Centenary. Okay, so the features of the city include golf course, green parks, schools, hospitals, recreation center, state-of-the-art security, a wireless network, shopping malls, road, drainage, walkways, etc. Most important of all is the project is specifically to provide for commercial and residential area, the low and high density communities. So by my right hand side, we have this big plaza opposite Jedidiah's Gardens. This is Jedidiah Garden Estates. You have mostly bungalows in this estate. So as we go down, you will see more estates within this neighborhood. Lots of estates, like I said, but the purpose of this video is for you to actually know this neighborhood. Okay, so this one is El Shama Estate. El Shama Estate have more of duplex, and lands in that estate is still selling for 40 million and above. So this is a very good and serene environment for you to build your duplex or bungalow or maybe commercial properties. So this road also leads to lots of other estates within this neighborhood, but the road is not tarred already, so I will have to turn here, and the straight road leads to the other communities within this neighborhood. So let me turn and let me talk more about Centenary and the contents judgment in February 2023, which recognized PEIWA as the rightful owner of the land and mandates the government to reinstigate the master plan of Centenary City. Subsequently, in 2023, consistent with the terms of the contents judgment, Enugu State Capital Territory published an advisory on the 21st of April 2023, notifying all trespassers of the impending demolition of unlawfully constructed residentials despite the warnings. This individual persisted in unauthorized construction without necessary approval or permit and disregarding the prescribed master plan and building guideline for the city. This unapproved development has led to the distortion of the master plan, rapidly transforming the city into a slum, or let's say ghetto. These illegal constructed uncompleted buildings have been occupied by some criminal elements, thereby posing a threat to the safety of the citizens of the state. So that's all I have for you guys today. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe, click the subscribe button, and also click the thumbs up button. And if you have any question regarding to what I have just said, kindly leave that in the comment section or check the description, and you will see my number. My WhatsApp number is there. You can give me a call. Enjoy the rest of the video.